Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Vargas, and as you guys see by the title, today I'm going to be doing my Louise Black Friday haul. So you guys know, if you guys either follow Trend Mood or Louise, that they had the biggest, like literally the biggest makeup haul Black Friday deal that I've ever seen. So they had up to 80%. They had a bunch of products $5, a bunch of products $6. They had palettes for $12, $25. So I did go ahead and place an order. I do have to say though that my biggest regret as of today is not buying more than what I did, because I regret it so much. That was literally a once in a lifetime type of deal, and I feel like I should have just got way more. But that being said, it is what it is. So before I jump into this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and let's just jump into this Louise Black Friday haul. Alright guys, so I do have the packaging on my lap. So when you open it up, it comes with this right here. It just says Black Friday, and it just says the second you open this package, it is non-refundable. So this is inside, and it's just to let you know that now that you opened it, you can't do any refunds. And then it also came with this. This is so cute. So it just says you want to play a game, and basically you have 3 chances to win. So if you get 3 crowns, 3 chess pieces, or 3 puzzles, you would win the prize. And I thought this was such a cute addition to this, just to make everything more fun. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the box, because I want you guys to see how cute it is. So this is what the box looked like. Her packaging is hands down the best. And then let's just get into what I bought. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the palettes, because obviously the palettes are kind of like the main thing that I was just so excited about. So the first palette that I picked up was the Louise. Our final chapter was a wedding wish. This is what it looks like right here. Her packaging, like I said, is to die for. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I did pick this one because this one was such a beautiful, like everyday wear kind of palette, and I thought it'd be nice to like have this to travel with and just have like a smaller version of a palette that I can just take with me anywhere. And I just fell in love with the colors. So this is what it looks like. And then I want to go ahead and show you guys the inside, because she literally put so much detail into her packaging, and all of these have indented pictures. I'm going to show you guys so you guys can understand a little bit better. But you can kind of see here the brown has a diamond, and then the gold has a purse. So this is the palette that I chose. Like I said, I thought it'd be really nice, beautiful everyday wear. And then I went ahead and swatched it for you guys. I know that she did launch a bunch of new products, and she did also apply them to the Black Friday sale. So all of her new products had like this amazing sale. So I do believe that this might be one of her new products. I'm not 100% sure, but I went ahead and swatched it for you guys just in case you guys are curious on what the shade looks like. These are all the shades on that palette. It's just very nice, beautiful, everyday with a pop of pinks. So she did come out with a couple of these in different shade colors, and I decided with this one, I totally regret not getting all of them. There was another one that was speaking out to me that was more kind of like a New Year Eve kind of look, where it was more cool tones, and I literally regret not getting it, guys. You have no idea. But yeah, this is the first palette that I picked up. And then, like I was saying, she did launch a new palette. So this for sure is one of her newest palettes at the moment. It is called the Watch the Queen Contour, or Contour. Conquer. Sorry, Watch the Queen Conquer. And this is what it looks like. The second I saw this palette, I knew that I needed it. It was so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside. So this has two sides to it. It's gonna be easier once I show you than explaining it. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's gonna have two sides. One side here and one side here. It does open up to be a very beautiful chess board. And then this is one side. So we do have, beautiful pops of pinks and purples and peaches on this side. This side does come with a mirror. And then on the second side, it also does come with a mirror. On this side as well, we have the oranges, the greens, and the yellow. So, oh my god guys, you cannot tell me that this isn't the most beautiful palette ever. I am so excited to use this. This would definitely be used on my next video, hopefully. And this only cost $50 because of the Black Friday sales. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably do some swatches maybe. I'm gonna do 3 on this side or 4 on this side and 4 on the other side so you can kind of see quality, but there's just so many shades here for me to do all of them. So I'm gonna do 4 of the pinks and then 4 of the greens, and I will be right back. This basically just speaks for itself. So pigmented right off the bat. The payoff is there and I'm just so excited to use it. Alright guys, so moving on, the next thing I picked up was a lip base. This one's in the shade Solo Nude. This is what it looks like right here. It was so hard to see like online what the shade looks like, but I went ahead and picked up this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a swatch. This does smell amazing. It smells like vanilla and chocolate at the same time, like vanilla chocolate. I did try this on my lips already, and this does dry down matte. So this is what the shade Solo Nude looks like. It's just a very beautiful peachy nude. So I went ahead and picked up this one out of all of them. Then the next thing that I picked up was a base. So these were $5. I should have just gotten the mall. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but I went ahead and picked up this shade because I really love yellow. And if you guys saw or if you guys been watching my YouTube videos, I always have like a pop of color somewhere, and I feel like yellow is my favorite pop of color to always have. So that's why I went with this shade. This one's a nice pastel yellow, which makes me like it even more because I do love pastel shades. And I'm just applying some to the back of my hands. This is obviously not new, but it is new to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a swatch so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the shade right here, and I can already envision myself using this. I am so excited to use this, and just stay tuned hopefully for my next looks because I will be using all of these products. So this is the Louise base in Yummy Yellow. Then speaking of bases, another color that I definitely love and needed was pops of neon green. I love neon green, and I had to get the Acid Rain Lime Light. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is different from the P. Louise bases. I do love the P. Louise bases tube. This one has, or like the end of this is way bigger, so you kind of just have to go with a brush and pick out how much you want compared to the P. Louise. But I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it like this so I can show you guys what it looks like. This is gonna be very beautiful, like pop of color in the waterline, or if I'm doing any green looks, anything like that. So that's why I went ahead and picked this up. That was only like $8. And this is Acid Rain in Lime Light. Now, the next thing that I picked up, I was actually pretty scared to try or to buy because this was the cheapest thing on the website. It was the metallic bases, and this was $3. So each one of them was $3, and I was like, oh my god, why? Is it because they suck or something? But let me tell you, I swatched this on the back of my hand today, and I fell in love. This shade that I picked out, which is Babe, You'll Always Be My Partner in Crime, is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This is the perfect base for a New Year's Eve look. You guys know, if you guys want to do like a cool tone glitter look, which is what everyone seems to gravitate towards on New Year's Eve. Yeah, New Year's Eve, this is basically what you need. So let me go ahead and swatch it. This is so beautiful. Hold up, I'm gonna show you guys. So like I said, this is the metallic primer, and Babe, You'll Always Be My Partner. Guys, this is reflective. This is so beautiful. I feel like it will apply better with your fingers. On to my last two products, I did pick up eye bases. So I did pick up the Acid Rain Blank Canvas. Everyone has raved about this. This is just beautiful for using it to prime your eyes, as well as cutting the lid, which you guys know that I just love to do. So I went ahead and picked up this one. This has the same style as all the rest of the Acid Rain, so the tube and the bottom is definitely bigger, and this is definitely on the thicker side. Then lastly, I did pick up the Base Pro 30 ml. I did pick up the Rumour Number 2. I feel like everyone uses Rumour Number 2, and I was like, you know what, I need this to set my eyes. Everyone raves about it. So instead of getting the small one, I went ahead and picked up the jumbo one. And let me tell you, this was only $13 for the jumbo. And look how much product you're getting here. Like I said, I love how they always have the squeezy tube. I feel like it just makes it so much easier. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it next to blank canvas. I'm just so excited to use all of this stuff. It's almost the same thickness as the blank canvas. The blank canvas is definitely feels more thicker though, but the one on the bottom is Rumour Number 2. And then the one on the top is blank canvas. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got on this haul. Like I said, I definitely missed out. I should have gotten way more stuff. I don't know what in the hell I was thinking, but that's okay. Hopefully I will splurge on myself and just buy it full price. We shall see. But everything that I bought, I am in love with. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you like these kind of makeup haul videos. I feel like it's always either Ulta or Sephora, so I wanted to do something different. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!